Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Okay. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Azhar. Some of the literature in this debat are responsible of the duration of the debate. The motion in this debate is the good and the bad view of social media. He will to take real and which is over the pro and the cost and just give strength between fish. To the pro team of the fish introduce the team member.
Hi, my name is Denny. I am speaker one of the pro team.
My name is Muhammad Naufal. I am as speaker 2.
My name is Fauzi Islan. I am as secretary.
My name is Muhammad Fatahila, speaker 1.
My name is Alif. I am five.
My name is Rowan Aswani, speaker 6. My name is Rahman. I am as speaker 7.
Thank you to the pro team for introduce myself and to the pro team please introduce team member please.
My name is Nurul Italiani. I'm speaker 1 of the contra team.
My name is Jan Maitilana Karamoy, speaker 2. My name is Della Fadila, speaker 3.
My name is Fani Alfianti. I am speaker 4.
My name is Nola Putri. I am speaker 5.
My name is Alfi Safira, as a speaker 6.
My name is Putri Amelia as a speaker 7.
Okay, thanks you to the team for introduce the team member and the duty to cross speaker. Team 1 and team 2. For agreement please. To speaker 1 from the option team the option is agreement please.
Okay, speaker one. Social media has a very adverse impact on society, such as number one, the dissemination of false information, in which the professor in the dissemination and the information is not true and misleading, so that the public is mistaken of misservice information so as to give rise to opinions or bad action for others from the misinformation. Number two, social media addiction is where someone spends too often or often playing social media, which can experience addiction and neglect to control its users. Number three, fraud, which is devising of manipulating others with the aim of obtaining rector at friends by lying about information obtained of profited. Number four, the adverse effect of business in social media, which can be channel of confirms is criticized of compliance, which can spread and damage the reputation of the business. Number five, the negative impact of social media on education, which can infer with learning, contraction, and dissemination of information is not fully convert and is squared, as well as an increased risk of cyberbullying and social media addiction that infers with learning productivity. Thank you.
Okay, next. To team 1, speaker 1 to pro. To the speaker of the one costume, please have your opinion, please.
Social media has several good impacts on society, such as number 1, sources of information, where social media is one of the easy place to find information. Social media is one place to find information such as trends and recommendations that can help us find relevant and quality information. Number 2, social media becomes a means of entertainment, where social media is one option to entertain the public so as not to be bored. With social media, people can enjoy the day by watching funny movies or other content. Number 3, communication and relationship suggestion, where social media is one place for use to communicate and building relationship with others online, allowing the formation of a wide and varied communication and relationship network. Number 4, social media is a means of business. So through social media, there are many people who do business through social media such as Facebook, Instagram, dan WhatsApp to promotion their business to be glimpsed by other communities. So it will be very easy to raise existing small business. Number 5, education today social media is an important means of learning and education. With the existence of social media can make it easier for students to repeat listen through YouTube or from platform to complement their learning and understanding of the material learned.
Yes. Okay. To the speaker of the two most influential opinion.
Okay. I don't agree with your opinion that social media has a bad impact on people looking for information, because in my opinion social media is an easy place to find information. One of the main effects of social media is that it is easy to access information and has no limitation in access, meaning that everyone can access social media as long as there is media such as a cell phone, laptop, computer, and has an internet signal. With a variety of content available, users can quickly search for answers to their question or find the latest news on topic they are interested in, easily participate, share, and create content including blogs, social networks, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, MySpace, and Twitter, wikis, forum, and cyberspace. Features like search, trending topic, and content recommendation also help users find relevant quality information.
Yes. To the speaker of the two pro-teams, please share your opinion. Please.
Yes, it is true the social media make easy to find information. But is the information obtained clearly true or not? And what if not? So the matter of the media is very dangerous. The phenomena of spreading false information, or what is often referred to as fake news or hoax, is a serious problem that often spread quickly through social media. One of the main reasons behind the speed of its spread is because it is easy access and ability to share information quickly on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp. One of the biggest challenges of the spread of fake news is the inability to verify information quickly and accurately. Most people probably don't have the skill or time to do in-depth search for the veracity of information before sharing it further. This can lead people to believe in fake news without realizing that they are spreading false or misleading information. The impact of believing in fake news can be very serious, both in the context of personal and political decisions. A person may take inappropriate or even self-defeating decisions based off false information they believe in. On the political side, the spread of fake news can influence public opinion and even election results, affecting the political decision of country as a whole.
Thanks you for the argument, speaker 2. To the speaker 3, proceed this your opinion, please.
I don't agree with your opinion about social media as a means of entertainment. I don't think they are looking for entertainment, but they have become addicted to social media, and that's where the bad effects of social media are. Dependency on social media can have a significant impact on a person's mental and emotional well-being. Firstly, excessive use can lead to anxiety disorder and depression due to the pressure to maintain a perfect image in cyberspace. Secondly, this dependency can interfere with productivity by spending too much time scrolling through new feed or interaction with irrelevant content. Lastly, the impact can also be seen in social relationships, where users are often more glued to their phone than interacting with those around them, leading to isolation and lack of depth in relationship.
Thank you for the argument, speaker 3. To the speaker 3, Austin, please explain your opinion.
Social media has become a major means of entertainment because it provides access and fast forward to variety of entertainment content, from funny videos to portraits of current events. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram allows users to enjoy entertainment directly from their device without needing to leave home. Features such as stories and live streaming also enable users to share important moments in their life directly with followers, them adding interaction and engagement to the entertainment experience. Social media as a means of entertainment also facilitates more social interaction with users can participate in community online who have the same interests and hobby, action information, and even create content together. This creates a more diverse and exclusive entertainment experience, one that users can feel connected to people all over the world without geographical restrictions. Additionally, additive of new the technology such as augmented reality and virtual reality is increasingly changing the way we consume entertainment on social media platforms with a more interactive and interactive experiment.
Thanks you for the argument, speaker 3, who came us. To the speaker 4, in the cause, please express your opinion, please.
I want to review the opinion about fraud. While concern about scam on social media can be relevant, seeing those platforms exclusively as potential source of fraud is too narrow a view. On the contrary, social media has become the foundation of communication and strange friendship relations in modern societies. Through social media, people can interact with friends and family around the world, deepen social bonds, and share important moments in life. More so, the platform creates an online community around shared interests, allowing individuals to exchange information, experience, and support. While fraud can be a problem, generalizing social media as the primary source of fraud turns a blind eye to the huge benefit in offer in deepening social relations and facilitating global communication. Therefore, while being aware of the risks of fraud that exist, it is important to appreciate the important role social media plays in expanding social networks and strengthening friendship bonds.
Thanks for the argument speaker for those speaker for pro teams. Please share your opinion, please.
Because social media is recognized as a powerful means for communication and spreading friendship, ignoring the negative effect of fraud will simply the complex picture of the role of social media in our life today. Fraud on social media has become one of the major threats in digital ecosystem. The negative impacts are diverse and permeates across aspects of life. Online insecurity is also on the rise as scams can create an atmosphere where individuals feel unsafe in their digital interaction. This can lead to increased emphasis and different of social media as a means of communication and information exchange. Another impact influence about many social media can develop back investment scams, the sale of counterfeit goods, or defensive theft can result in lost victims.
Thanks for the speaker for giving the prompt to the speaker. 5 pro teams, please share your opinion, please.
I want to argue about opinion that social media can be a means of business and entrepreneurship. In my opinion, doing business on social media is very dangerous. For example, such as the adverse impact of online business encompass several aspects that need serious consideration by business practitioners. Firstly, intense competition can lead to reduced profit margins since the open and global market allows for the presence of those cents. Even millions of potential competitors, both large and small. Secondly, data security risk pose a serious
trade in online business with a vast amount of sensitive data handled, such as customer information and financial transaction data. Companies are vulnerable to cyber attack and security breaches. This can result in identity theft, loss of consumer trust, and even legal repercussions. Thirdly, establishing consumer trust is a significant challenge in online business. Consumers tend to be wary of online fraud and deception, necessitating companies to exert extra effort to prove their credibility and integrity. This requires them an extra effort, especially for new or small business. Fourthly, online business may also face complex regulatory and compliance issues, especially when operating in multiple jurisdictions. Tax obligation, consumer protection, and electronic commerce laws are some aspects that require careful attention to avoid violating applicable regulation.
Okay, thanks for the argument speaker 5. To speaker 5, very detailed protest arguments.
I don't agree that social media has a negative impact on business because while there is an alarming view that social media can have a devastating impact on business, the reality is that such platforms also provide significant benefits as a means for business and entrepreneurship. Social media has changed that way business interact with customers, allowing them to expand their market reach, increase brand awareness, and build closer relationship with potential customers through targeted advertising and relevant content. Companies can target the right audience and increase their sales conversions. In action, social media also provides a platform to promote products and services direct to customers, allowing small business and entrepreneurs to compete with larger companies without having to incur costs for traditional marketing. By utilizing the analysis tool available on social media platforms, business can understand customer behavior better, identify market trends, and adjust their marketing strategies effectively. Therefore, while acknowledging that there are challenges and risks associated with the use of social media in a business context, it is important to remember that social platforms also provide great opportunities for business growth and success in this digital age.
Okay, thanks to the speaker of the 6. Austin, please share your opinion, please.
I disagree with your opinion that social media has a negative impact on education because I think social media is very useful and also has a fairly important role in education and teaching. Social media has opened the door to more inclusive and collaborative education. Many educational institutions from elementary school to college use social media platform as a tool to complement learning in the classroom. Social media also has good benefit for students. Number 1, can enhance skill from new thing. You could say this social media also function as a learning method because it is useful for honing skill. This way, children can find out how technology works and how to use it. Even so, as parents must still Supervise the baby when using social media. Number 2. Easy to get information. Using social media will make it easier for user to get information. Information about various things, ranging from information about subject at school, art, sport, and much more. Number 3. Encourage children to express themselves. By using social media, the existence of social media can be used to motivate students to be better at communicating. Parents too can show appropriate videos so that children learn more about how to behave with older, younger people and peers.
Thanks for the team's course. Speaker 6. Pro teams, please share your opinions, please.
Thank you for time, sir. In my humble opinion, social media has a more negative impact on education. As a student, it's important to recognize how depends on technology in learning can impact our development. When we rely too much on apps and electronic devices for learning, there are several things we need to be mindful of. Firstly, depends on technology can lead us to lose the ability to learn independently. When we are accustomed to technology providing instant answer, we may become less patient and less capable of solving problems in conventional ways. This can hinder the development of our analytical and critical thinking skill. Secondly, spending too much time in front of screens can disturb our concentration and memory. Notification from social media and other apps often tempt us to constantly check our phone or switch between apps, reducing the time we should be spending focusing on learning materials. Thirdly, depends on technology makes us to miss out direct experience and physical exploration that are crucial in learning. Learning through hand-on experience, experiment, or field trips can give us a deeper understanding of the concept being studied.
Okay, to speaker 7 from the quarter team, please summarize the exciting arguments. Please.
So the constituency is social media has very significant negative impact on society. First, the spread of false information is a major problem because fake news or hoax can spread quickly and widely, damage reputation, cause panic, and even influence public opinion and political decision. Secondly, social media addiction becoming an alarming phenomenon where individuals spend excessive time on this platform not for entertainment but become a necessity that interferes with productivity and mental health. Third, fraud on social media is increasingly rife, ranging from identity fraud of financial fraud, threatening user security. Fourth, the adverse impact on business also cannot be ignored, such as cases of fake reviews that harm business reputation or unfair competition that damage the market. Lastly, although social media is considered essential for education, over-reliance can distract students from learning and reduce their education. The quality of face-to-face interaction that is essentially in the educational process.
To speaker 7 for the quarter team. Team course, please summarize the exceeding argument.
So the consolation is social media has a variety of significant positive impacts on society. First, social media is a fast and accessible source of information, allowing people to stay updated with the latest news, trend, and important issues. Second, social media serves as means of entertainment that provides a variety of interesting content ranging from video, music to memes, which can relieve stress and provide entertainment for its user. Thus, social media is become an effective communication and relationship tool, allowing people to connect with family, friends, and to work from all over the world, as well as expand their social network. Social media is an ideal place for business and entrepreneurship, offering a platform for product marketing, customer interaction, and brand development, even for small business. Finally, social media acts as a place of learning and education, where various educational material, online courses, and the learning community is available for anyone who wants to use technology and skill. Thank you.
Yes, thanks for Team Pro and Team Cos. To both debat teams won debat wrestling and full of interesting arguments. Sekian, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.